Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today's video is of making potato kachori. So let's start. Add 1 tablespoon of mustard seeds, 2 chopped green chilies and few cumin seeds, 1 cup of boiled potatoes, one tablespoon of chili powder, half tablespoon of turmeric powder, half cup of chopped onions. Mix them well. Add half cup of water with half tablespoon of salt, when you see them in boiling stage, add 1 tablespoon of gram flour and mix them well. And yeah, your filling is ready now. Take 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Add half tablespoon of salt with 1 tablespoon of ghee. Crumble and mix them well. Then start adding half cup of water into it and knead it. Then cover it with your wet cloth and leave for 10 to 15 minutes. Make them to ball-sized dough. Now fill the stuffing. Seal it tight and pinch off the excess. Now flatten it slightly. Fry them on low flame for 10 to 15 minutes. When it is golden and crispy, place them on your plate and serve it hot with some mint chutney.